It's early here in North Carolina, but I'm excited. Heading to a drone day at a local university today. And so, a local event where a few of our team are going to both learn and contribute to the fast changing and fascinating world of drones. Now, we are helping tech teams, specifically with autonomous drones, and helping to make them a reality for many different use cases, like drone delivery and many, many other things. So, it should be a good day.
North Carolina is continuing its first-in-flight tradition by being a leader in the drone space. Today, over 150 people gathered: academics, the FAA, the NC Department of Transportation, tech companies, drone professionals, all here to help understand and shape the future of drones. We heard from the FAA how it continues to build out a framework and system for drones, similar to what's been done for motor vehicles. Overall, two things stood out on Drone Day. The real-world applications for drones are increasing. They're exploding. But unfortunately, at the same time, so is the regulation. The problem is safety. Human pilots are not enough. They don't have the data to make good real-time decisions for a vehicle that's often flying many football fields away from them. They're simply prone to errors.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, it's a dust coming down. Hey, that's the first man.
Autonomy is critical. Autonomous drones that have AI on board make the behavior of the aircraft predictable. Almost any operation in almost any condition can be repeatable and safe with enough data and a standard approach. Autonomy is the key to scaling drone applications by giving regulatory bodies the confidence they need. The key to making drones autonomous is high-quality data at scale, and that is what we do better than anybody else. So being hands-on today with drone practitioners and regulators was a great reminder of the value that we can bring. It also has me excited for the next 24 hours and getting to visit 2 real drone delivery operations here in North Carolina. Stay tuned.